This is 9th standard English 2.2, A True Story of Sea Turtles by Bhau Kadhare from Sahyadri Nisarg Mitra organization. Now this lesson is by this Bhau Kadhare, the writer, and here we can as a lesson we read, we will find that there are volunteers who are volunteers from which organization? This organization, that is Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra. They were observing, what they were doing, they were observing the sea coast region, and as these volunteers they were surveying the white bellied sea eagle. They were doing the survey on this sea eagle. But what they saw some shallow pits with white eggshells nearby. And what happened after doing the inquiry with villagers, what villagers revealed? They told that these are the turtles' eggs, and it was surprising for these volunteers to know, because they never had come across the turtle eggs. Now and what these villagers were doing, villagers were taking these eggs and selling, or they were eating it, and if they were finding the turtles coming there, female turtles coming there and laying the eggs there, they were allowing her to lay the eggs, and what they were doing, they were killing her. So this thing is not only done in one part, but it is all over the world. This thing is done. But in India, what is there? Sea turtles are given protection under the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972, and this protection is equal to as tigers. Okay, so as we are knowing that tigers are very much taken care, and nobody is allowed to kill the tigers, but still what is happening, that there are some of the people, those who do this all hunting and killing of the animals and birds, and this activity is going on, and this business of gathering turtle eggs also and killing turtles was carried and secretly. So the volunteers, what they decided to protect a project for protection and conservation of turtles and their nest in Maharashtra. So they decided that we will have a project, we will start a project, and what they did. Now project is what? Project is something started for a purpose, and they have the motive, they have the meaning to it, and they are doing the project is started to do something good for there is a reason for behind that, and it can be an help to the concerned group of people, or anything that the reason is behind, okay, the cause. So it is the help, okay. And this project was started for the protection and conservation of turtles, that they felt. So the volunteers felt that we should do something to save these turtles and their species, because if this number of killings and number of this thing will be more, so the species one day will be an extinct, and we will never find these species in further in future. And as the number in all over the world, or in India also, as the number of tigers decrease, the government and the forest department, they took this initiative, and they tried to have this very much this alertness for preserving and protecting the tigers, okay, as the numbers were lessening. And this thing same was for turtles also. So turtles, their lives, now if you look at the turtles, it lays its eggs, the female, and it goes again in the sea, in the water. And when these eggs get hatched, so the place where from it is a finding, okay, the place where from the eggs the turtles come, they are born. They after becoming big, when they go and go to the water, they try to find their way, okay. They right from when the eggs hatch and the small turtles come out, the sight is very thrilling, okay. The sight is very different, as you will find that the turtle very speedily it will have the sense of the water nearby, and it will find its own way, and it will try to struggle and just rush off hurriedly to the water, and it will start swimming, and it will go on its own, and it will struggle. So there are a lot of hurdles in the turtles and tortoise lives, that there are this birds are there who will eat them or catch them, or there are so many fishes, big fishes, they try to have them for their food. And in spite of all these things, their struggle, if they are fortunate enough to live there and survive, then they become big, and one day again the females, they turn again back to the same way and the same shore or the same place where they have been born. So it's a finding, okay. So these volunteers, they might be have done the research, and they might have seen that so many eggshells they have found, and they realize that this is not good, okay, that the people are how they are treating this animal. So they launched they started to take the project and launch this turtle protection campaign at Velas Taluka, Madangarh district, Ratnagiri, okay. And it was done with the support and cooperation of forest department. So they took the forest department into their faith, and they on their trust side, they try to meet the officials, and they try to have this talks with them, and with their support and cooperation, what they started this campaign, that is turtle protection campaign. After that, they started Turtle Friends Awards Kasav Mitra, and in this, what they did, they tried to give the opportunity to the people of the villagers, that village, to find the turtles' eggs and to make them into safe place, that they and have a wire fencing. So, and the people, those who were doing this, they were getting some of the this kind of help from that organization. After that, what happened? In 2006, Turtle Festival, that is Kasav Mahotsav, was organized, and as this turtle festival was there, more people, that is tourists, they came to visit this place, and this gave importance to homestay. Now homestay means what? The people, the villagers, they were having their houses there, and the people, those were coming from outside, they were tourists. So this village people, what did this organization, what they told them, that you provide them the place to stay and all the necessary things to take care for their things, that you give them the good service, and as in return, what they were getting good income from the people, tourists, and the villagers realized that it is a good source of income, and as it was a income generation, so they were quite happy with their lifestyle, and their lifestyle improved, and the villagers decided that 10% of their income that they were generating from this all thing, they were giving to whom? for the this organization, for this camp, this all thing project. And the people, those who were in the bad act of killing the turtles, they were only now doing the help to save the turtles life.